All right, good afternoon or morning or evening or whenever you're doing this exercise. We are doing an upper body workout today. So it should take you about 40 minutes. We're going to start with shoulders with some dumbbell shoulder presses. Then we're going to do dumbbell chest flies, so working our chest. Then we're going to do some kickbacks. Then we have front raises. Then we have some chest press, and then we have some reverse grip rear delt stuff. And then we're going to do a little bit of core at the end. So finish off with some core. So we're going to start with those shoulder presses. I'm going to start with my 12, I think. Um, we're going to do 3 sets of 12. So I'm going to put some heavier weights here just in case I feel like going up. Okay. But I'm going to start with my 12s, kind of get warmed up here. We're doing 12 reps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. Okay, record that. That felt good, that weight selection. So I'm going to stick with that. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, that got tough at the end, which is what you want. You know, it's a good weight selection. Not too tough to where you compromise your form, but tough enough to where you're feeling it. Okay, one more set. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh. All right, that was a good warm up. Okay, dumbbell chest fly. I'm going to do my 15s for these. And we have 12 reps, 3 sets. Make sure you lower your lower back to the floor or the mat as you do this and tighten your core. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That was a good weight selection as well. Actually, I'm gonna put my weight belt on. I would start feeling it in my lower back when I do stuff like that, and I don't want to risk it. So my gloves on too. Lost my fingers. There they are. All right. Take some steps while you're waiting, or you can move on, or you can get some water, or you can stretch. Okay. Okay, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When you're doing back to back the same exercise, you've got to allow the rest time. So usually they say about 1 to 2 minutes in between. So I'm going to take about 10 more seconds and get set up. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. Okay. So we did 3 of those. Make sure you record that. It's always good to write down what you've done. I put mine in my phone, in my app, so you know how much weight you lifted. and what you did, and then you can come back when you do that workout again. You can adjust and you know exactly where you were. So we're gonna do some dumbbell kickbacks. So dumbbell kickbacks, triceps. I'm gonna go with, yeah, I'm gonna go with my 15s. For this one, we're doing 10. And then go ahead and get out your dumbbells that you're gonna use for front raises. I do 8s maybe. Okay, here we go. Dumbbell kickbacks. 10 of these. So we're just gonna bend over and kick back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Okay, put those down. No, you don't really need rest in between if you're doing different exercises. So we're gonna do front raises. I'm gonna go with my 8. We're doing 10s of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, that was a good weight selection for both of those. Doing that same thing again. Let me plug in the weight. Tricep extensions or tricep kickbacks, sorry. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. We'll start. Oh, I hate when I do that. Did you start your watch? Oh well, okay. So now I have front raises. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Kickbacks. Last round of these 2 exercises. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And front raises. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Okay, so the next 2 exercises, we're doing our chest press and reverse grip rear delt fly. So chest press. I'm gonna go with my 20s. And then I'll do my 15s on the other one, so I have those already out. Okay. All right, lower your lower back to the floor, come down a 90-degree angle and press up. 1, 2, use your core. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, come on up. Okay, reverse grip rear fly. So it looks like this. I use my 15s. You bend over, you hold the weights like this, you bend over, and then you come out like this. Okay, so we're gonna do 10 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, that's a tough one with those 15, so I might have to go down on that one. Plug in my weight selection. Okay. All right, back to chest press. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I'm trying to decide. Okay, well, I can always start with this weight, and then if it's too heavy, I'll go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, ooh, and 10. Ooh, starting to feel that in the shoulder right here. I'm like, okay. Last round of those 2 exercises. Oh, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, I'll put these weights away. Don't think I'm doing another exercise with them. Okay. And last round of this. Stick with my 15s and then I'll drop down, if need be, 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, okay. All right, we are moving on to our core exercises. So you can put your weights away, get out your mat. Okay. Oops, plug my weights. Okay. I want to make sure I have all my weights in there. Okay, so this one is push-ups. So you get your mat out, push-ups, weighted bent leg sit-ups, and then single arm to floor press. So get your weights put away. You'll need one weight. I'm gonna leave an 8 out. And take all this stuff off for this. Okay. Okay, we're doing push-ups. We're doing 10. I'm gonna lower this so you can see me on the mat. Okay, 10 push-ups.
Now save up to $900 on Phoenix Black and get 0% financing for 36 months.
So this memorial sale, plus your safe efficiency.
You can always modify, drop your knees like that. Okay, I'm gonna use an 8 for this. I might change it to well, we'll see. 10 of these. So hold the weight. Oh, you're coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Okay, single arm to floor. Press. Oh, we do need a weight for this one. I'm gonna go with a 12. Okay, so it looks like this. We're gonna do 8 on each side. We're gonna kind of start with the weight down here and reach up. We're gonna do 8 on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Back to the top, back to push-ups. Okay, so back to 10 push-ups. Again, modify as needed. I always start off on my toes, end up on my knees. So let's see what happens. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, where's my weight go? Well, there it is, behind my head. Okay, 10 of these. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Whew, that's good. Next up. Eight of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10. Whew. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh. Whew. All right. We're almost done with 3 rounds. This one actually calls for 5, but if you just want to stop at 3, go ahead. This last set will be done with 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oops, I think that was supposed to be 8, but that's okay. Okay, so that was 3 rounds. If you wanted to stop there, you can. I'm gonna go on and just do 2 more of those, and then that will be it for this full workout. All right, so go back to the top. We have push-ups. I'm gonna do my modified now. So on my knees, make sure my back is flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Sit-ups. Ooh. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whew. 10. Okay, floor to ceiling press. 8 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so now we're gonna do one more. Back to those push-ups. Go modify again. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and almost done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, we did it. If you followed me the whole way, awesome job. That was a good workout. If I started my watch, but I think it's about 40 minutes or so. All right, so I hope you feel good. Don't forget to go stretch and go check out some of my other workouts.